Hi again, it's Mitch here from Vauxhall Motor Company, and today I will be showing you what fault code 20 means on a Vauxhall Adam. So, as you can see on this vehicle, it's showing code 20 warning light on the dashboard. What this means is that your right low dipped beam is at fault or isn't functioning properly, so that will need to be replaced. If you have any other fault codes come up on your vehicle, the easiest thing to do is to search it on Google. Just Google the fault code and the type of vehicle, and it will tell you exactly what is wrong with the car. If you have any other questions or anything that you would like to do, please just drop me a comment and I will make a video on how to do it shortly. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.